Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fiverr gigs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Fiverr website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Fiverr account using your credentials. In the search bar, type in keywords relevant to the service you need. Explore the suggestions that appear as you type. Review the search results carefully. Use filters to narrow down your options, such as category, budget, and delivery time. Click on a gig that interests you for more details. Read the gig description thoroughly to understand the service offered. Check the seller's ratings and reviews to gauge their reliability. Look at any samples provided in the gig portfolio. Take note of the pricing structure and included features. If you have specific requirements, use the Contact Me button to message the seller. Ask any questions you have about the service beforehand. Once you are satisfied, click on the Order button to proceed. Select any extras you may want to add to your order. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Continue to Payment button. Choose your preferred payment method. Complete the payment process to finalize your order. After payment, communicate any additional details the seller may need. Monitor your order status through your Fiverr dashboard. Once your order is complete, review the delivered work carefully. Leave feedback based on your experience with the seller. If all is well, consider adding the seller to your favorites for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.